As you might have seen in the thumbnail and the title, we are about to run Deepseek's R1 model natively on a laptop. In my case, I'm using a 2022 MacBook Air with M2 chip, and in my case, I have 8 GB of RAM in this laptop. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to olama.com, and over here we will download this. I'll download this for macOS, whichever one is relevant for you, you can do that. So once this is downloaded, I'll just go ahead and install this and open this. Okay, as you can see, the Olama application has opened up. I'll just go next, install the command line. Of course, we'll go ahead and install the command line. I'll just enter my password. Okay, yeah. Now it says run your first model. This one is actually Llama 3.2, but we want to run Deepseek R1. So we'll leave this for now. How can we download Deepseek R1? You can just go to models on Olama's website. Once you go on models, you can see Deepseek R1 right over here. Now over here, you can actually select the parameter model that you want. OpenAI's GPT-o1 is this one, which is 671 billion parameters, also 404 gigabytes. Obviously, this laptop cannot run this. I'll settle for 7 billion parameters. I can also do 8, but I'll settle for 7 billion for this video. Basically, a good measure over here would be just look at the size over here and multiply it by 1.5. That is under your RAM of your current laptop or PC, whatever you're using. Then it can run on that machine. Okay, so we'll just go down, we'll take this, and I'll just open terminal. I'll paste this. So now this is being downloaded, as you can see, and once this is done, I'll be back. Okay, so basically there was some screen recording error on our part. So basically what I've done or have tried to do in the past couple of minutes is that firstly we downloaded the model, the 7 billion parameter model, and it took us around 3 to 4 minutes to get that downloaded. After that, I prompted it that which car is faster. Is it the car which is running at 60 kilometers per hour or the car running at 100 miles per hour? And then as you can see, the model was thinking, and you can see the entire thinking process right over here. And as you can see, we have the answer over here which says car 2 is faster. So it runs very similar in terms of output and how you can actually look at the thinking process to the chat version which is available on their website. Let's go ahead, and actually there are some other things that you can do. For example, if I type in \help, then you can see all the available commands. As you can see, if I type in \clear, then this session context will be cleared, so we can do that as well. So the session context gets cleared. You can also ask for shortcuts, and you can also set session variables. So all of that is available over here. So one thing that would be common for all of us is that we would not actually want to interact with Deepseek in this kind of a UI, right? We want a better, or the normal chat UI that we have for ChatGPT, Gemini, and all the other LLMs. So what we'll do right now is we'll use a platform called Anything LLM. Okay, so now basically we can go ahead and open Anything LLM. Okay, so basically we'll now go ahead and open Anything LLM. We'll click on get started. Now you can see all the LLM providers. You have OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, but we are using Olama. We'll say go ahead. You can also select your model. We have the 7Bs, the 7 billion parameters model. We'll go ahead. Now this is the survey, so we'll skip this. Workspace name, let's just say Achint. Okay, so now we have a workspace that has been created. As you can see, I can go ahead and create more workspaces as well. Within Achint, I have my own chatbot over here right now. Now the best part over here is when we were using Deepseek in terminal, you could not actually upload your documents. You could not actually upload documents and images, but you can do that over here. So that is one benefit that you get of using Anything LLM to open or run Deepseek natively on your laptop or your PC or whatever your machine is. So that is how it works. What should we ask? Let us ask how many R's are there in strawberry. Now as you can see, it has started the thinking process again. It says, okay, so I need to figure out how many R's are there in strawberry. Let me think about this step by step. First, I'll write down the word strawberry. So you can see the entire thinking process of the model right here, and this is how you can actually run DeepSeek's latest R1 model on your computer, your PC, your laptop natively. I hope this video helped. If this video helped you, if you are interested in staying updated about AI, if you want to learn more about AI tips and tricks, the latest AI news and latest AI updates, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we'll be posting videos about AI regularly. And if you have some suggestion of what kind of videos you'd like to watch, if you have some particular AI tool or AI model that you would like to learn and know more about, then make sure you comment that and we will make a video on that for sure. I will see you in the next video with something more exciting and something more useful and informative. That's it from my side.